Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm here doing the US Top 40, song number 19, which is Hot to Go by Chappell Roan, or Roan. Not sure if it's Roan or Rowan. Roan? Anyway, the song's in F sharp. If you Google it, looking for the chords, the ultimate guitar, the one that shows up first is in E, but it's not. It's in F sharp. So I'll just be changing the key in real time. When it says E, it's actually F sharp for me. So I could be the one or your new addiction. It's all in my head, but I want non-fiction. Stays on F sharp. Then we go up to B. I don't want the world, but I'll take this city. Who can blame a girl? Call me hot, not pretty. Post-chorus. Already we're on the pre-chorus. Same chords, F sharp, baby, do you like the beat? I made it so you dance with me. And then it's 190 degrees, B. When you're doing it with me, we go up to C sharp there. Back to F sharp. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands, now body roll, dance it out, you're hot to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands, now body roll, up to C sharp. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, back to the post-chorus now, so H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me hot to go, B. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me hot to go, verse 2. Well, I wake up staring at the ceiling, try not to care but it hurts my feelings, B. You don't have to stare, come here, get with it. No one's touched me there in a damn hot minute. Okay, and then F sharp. And baby, do you like this beat? I made it so you'd sleep with me, B. It's not like it's 199 degrees when you're doing it with me, Chorus. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands in the body roll, dance it out, you're good to go. Sorry, you're hot to go. And then B. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands now, body roll. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me hot to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me hot to go. Bridge, F sharp. What's it take to get your number? What's it like to bring me home? Hurry up, it's time for supper. Order up, I'm hot to go. I want this to play in every restaurant when I order food. What's it take to get my number? Hurry up, my food's getting cold. Hurry up, it's time for supper. Order up, I'm hot to go. Hot to go. Chorus again. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me hot to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me hot to go. That's not how it ends. It goes to F sharp. Whoa, it's hot in here. Is anyone else hot? Whoa, you're coming home with me. And then up to C sharp. Sorry, whoa, you're coming home with me. Down to B. Home with me. Okay, it's hot. I'll call you a cab. Ends on F sharp, starts on F sharp, ends on F sharp. Quite frankly, it's not too difficult. It's huge. It's easy. And it's a hot take. It's fantastic. Fantastic, by the way. Fantastic. Just my little impression there at the end. So thanks for watching. Hot to Go by Chappell Roan. Or Roan. That's song number 19. Next up, I'm going to do song number 20, which is The Boy Is Mine, Ariana Grande. Don't think I've ever heard it. I'll listen to it now. If you liked the video, then give it a like. If you subscribe to the channel, something magical might happen. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, Between the Keys.